Hello and welcome to this webinar about the new health insurance benefits offered through Riteway Restorations. My name is Wes Campbell of Structured Employee Benefits of Ohio, or SEBO for short, and I'm going to be taking you through the new health insurance being offered through your employer. This insurance goes into effect on November 1st, so it is retroactive to November 1st. If you've had any claims that you have had prior to receiving your ID card, please get in touch with the person who's going to be listed as your contact in this packet in my office, and we will be able to help you get reimbursed for those claims. The insurance is moving to Anthem, one of the largest carriers here in the state of Ohio and globally. Their network comprises about 98% of doctors in the state of Ohio and every major health system. So you should have no problems when it comes to seeing the providers you would like to see. You should be receiving a temporary ID card here very, very soon. We've actually expected it prior to this from Anthem. So it's a PDF that you can print out. That will serve as your ID card until your plastic one comes in the mail. I'll also have information for you on how to register your account with Anthem so you can download an ID card if you would like to. As you see there also on this page, customer service will be managed by someone named Molly Reinman in my office. Her contact information is on the next page. We have the employee deductions here. These are per paycheck listed here for the new health insurance. So if you have any questions about those, please reach out to us. I'll be talking about it in a little more detail, but this plan will include what we call a health reimbursement arrangement. So your deductible, you'll notice, is very high, but your employer is reimbursing you for a portion of that deductible. So we'll talk about what that means as we go through this packet. So we've enrolled everybody in the coverages that they elected through FormFire. If you'd like to make any changes to those, please use the form that is in here. After open enrollment, please note that you cannot make any changes to your insurance unless you experience a qualifying event. The most common ones are things like a marriage, a birth, adoption, a death in the family, or maybe you have a spouse or a dependent who loses coverage that they have now. Those are all examples of qualifying events. You have 30 days from the date of that qualifying event to notify us of those changes. The contact information for Molly Ryman can be found here. 614-441-9616 is her direct line, and her email address there, molly@sebohio.com. So as I mentioned, the insurance is moving to Anthem, one of the largest networks, one of the largest prescription drug lists that's available in the market today. Again, you'll notice this deductible is very high, but we'll talk about how the reimbursement will work. The single deductible is $6,000 per individual, $12,000 per family. So that's the number you're responsible for first before we get into the co-insurance. Deductible typically happens when you have things like a hospital stay, a surgery, an MRI, a CAT scan, so on and so forth. Things that are not covered for a copay. Okay. Now, as I mentioned, your plan is going to include a health reimbursement arrangement. So your responsibility is only $3,000 of that $6,000. Once you've incurred claims north of that $3,000, that's when you'll use the form in this packet to turn in your claims, and we will make sure that a check is cut to you to cover anything above $3,000 up to that $6,000. Okay. Next on here is your copays. You see the doctor office copays are $30 and $60, $30 for a primary care physician, $60 for a specialist. Very common to have a higher copay for specialty services now. Allergy injections covered for $10 in a physician's office. Online visits, we'll talk about that a little further. It says $10. Actually, you have access to Anthem's product Live Health Online, which gives you access to telemedicine at no cost. All of your preventative services, those are covered 100%. So that's why it says no cost share. Then we get into the emergency services. Emergency room is a $500 copay, urgent care is $75. Everything else on the page, you're going to see where it says 0%. That means you're responsible for $6,000, the deductible, and then it's covered at 100% by Anthem. Again, remember, once you're north of $3,000, though, that's where you should be turning those claims into us, and we make sure that you get reimbursed. So that's your inpatient and outpatient professional services, your inpatient facility services. So like if you're confined to a hospital, your outpatient surgery at a hospital, Other outpatient services like MRIs, CAT scans, chemotherapy, ultrasound, durable medical, so on and so forth. On the next page, we have the outpatient therapy benefits. Typically, going to be covered for either the $30 or the $60. These are things like cardiac rehab, occupational therapy, physical therapy, what they call manipulation therapy. That's a fancy way of saying chiropractic. These things are covered for that copay, although they do cover a certain number of visits per year per insured. So like physical therapy, for example, they'll cover the first 20 visits at that $30 copay. If you go beyond 20 visits, then you would pay whatever the cost is, and it would go towards your deductible. Behavioral health services, it says provided in accordance with the Federal Mental Health Parity Act. What that means is typically if it's in a doctor's office, it's going to be $30 or $60. If it's in an inpatient setting, then it's going to be something that goes towards your deductible. Typically with mental health, things like psychology is a $30 copay, whereas psychiatry, being a specialty, is a $60 copay. Then we have your prescription drug benefits. If you go to a level 1 network, which is typically going to be your Walgreens, your Kroger's, Rite Aid, so on and so forth, those are $15, $45, and $80. So that's for tier 1 drugs, which are generics. That's the $15 copay. Tier 2 drugs are what we consider preferred drugs, or drugs that are on their formulary, their preferred list of medications. That's $45. And then anything that's not generic, not preferred, is going to be on the $80 side. When you get into that 25% to $350, that's typically for very, very, very expensive self-injectable medications. I'm not talking about anything like with regard to insulin or things of that nature. If you go to a level 2 pharmacy, it's going to be CVS, Giant Eagle. You pay $10 more, so $25, $55, $90. The reason for this is CVS bought an insurance company in Aetna, and so they don't really contract with anybody outside of Aetna now. If you use the mail order program, you get a 90-day supply of your prescriptions for $38, $135, and $240. This is what the reimbursement form looks like. It asks for a lot of information. Really, the most important things that we need are your information up at the top. We need to know the healthcare expenses, what type of expense it is, what you're asking to be reimbursed. And then with this, you will include a copy of your payment. Now, typically, we don't want a receipt. We would like to have your explanation of benefits, or EOB. That's the document you get every time you use your insurance. Okay, so when you go to the, if you have a MRI and that MRI leads to you being over $3,000 in deductible expenditure for the year, you're going to turn that form into us, that EOB, with this form here. That EOB is going to show how much you've spent in deductible this year. We'll know that if you're north of $3,000, that you should be reimbursed everything above that number. For prescription drugs, you typically don't get an explanation of benefits, so your receipt will suffice when it comes to your prescription drugs. Okay. We don't need a signature from the service provider. That's for a completely different situation. So really, we just need your signature down at the bottom. If you're struggling with this at all or not sure what to put down, please just contact Molly or myself in our office, and we'll be happy to help you. Some other information we've included in your packet. How to read your medical bill. There's a lot of mistakes that happen with billing. So it's best to always look at your explanation of benefits, your statement from the insurance company, which shows how much your doctor billed, how much the insurance paid, and how much you're responsible for. And then your bill from your provider should match that. If there's discrepancies between the explanation of the benefits and the bill, that's where you need to get us involved, because we need to look into that further for you. So just good to be proactive when it comes to this type of thing. As I mentioned, you have access to Live Health Online. Live Health Online is Anthem's 24/7 telemedicine product. It's a very, very handy. So you can access it through the Live Health Online website or your myanthem.com portal, or you can download their app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Essentially, what it means is you get access to board-certified physicians 24/7 through your smartphone, through your tablet, through your computer, Heck, you can use a rotary phone, and they have a phone number you can call as well, which you can get off of their website or through the app. It's great for little stuff. You have an ear infection, it's an ear infection. All you need is a medication. Instead of having to take time off of work or having to go fit, a doctor's office visit into your schedule, you can use this app, speak to a board certified physician who can call a prescription up to your local pharmacy. It's ready for you in a short amount of time. So again, something I use all the time in my own personal life. I have kids, so with them, I use it all the time. Again, you'll get your own personalized website with Anthem, what they call the My Anthem site. If you go to www.anthem.com, you'll be able to register for your own personalized website. A lot of self-help type customer service things you can do there. You'll be able to download your ID card, look up the network, see how much of your deductible you've met. They store all of your explanation of benefits online there. They have discount programs that are available through a lot of different vendors. So a lot of good information that you will be able to access through the anthem.com website. Lastly, we just have our kind of employee newsletter in here, information about, flu season approaching, obviously, the importance of vaccines when it comes to COVID-19, information about, how to get a good night's sleep. They always include a recipe in here and some steps for getting some better sleep. So just some information for you to review at your leisure. With that, I'm going to go back here to the contact information for Molly at our office. It's our privilege to work with Riteway Restoration. So please contact us with any questions that you ever have about any of your health insurance needs. That is what we're here for. You're free to call the insurance company if you'd like to, but I highly recommend that you come directly to us. If you lose your ID card, if you're not sure if a doctor's in network, if you get a bill you don't think looks right, those are all reasons that you should be reaching out to us. We never want you to feel lost or confused when it comes to your health insurance. We want you to feel confident that things are being handled correctly. So please reach out to us should you have any questions. And with that, I thank you for taking the time to view this webinar, and please let us know if we can be of any service to you in the future. Thanks and have a great day.